And Paula is asking here, any tips on staying grounded when experiencing intense Kriyas through meditation? So, Paula, what I recommend for experiencing intense Kriyas through meditation is to, once again, like I was sharing earlier, we create a container where we can go into that container and anything can arise. So Kriyas can arise. There's no problem. We don't have to fight them off. If they're really intense, no problem. We just allow them to flow and know that they're serving us to heal, to activate parts of us, to allow the energy to flow. Nothing wrong with Kriyas. They're very healing. They're very soothing in the long term. At times they can be painful, but know that this is the energy shaking off things that no longer serve you. So the idea here isn't to minimize them or just figure out how to solve the problem of Kriyas. They're not a problem. We want to create a container and allow them to flow. So what I recommend is that we set apart 1 hour a day. We lay down, we sit down, whatever it is, and we say, Divine Mother, Kundalini, have your way with me, flow through me, do whatever you want to do with me right now. This is my time for you to, work with me. And we don't fight, we don't resist, we just totally surrender. She may put us into deep meditation. She may, cause us to, spontaneously move. And anything can arise, emotions can come up, and just know that this is the healing process. If we don't create a container like that, then it starts happening, sporadically throughout our day. It can become a bit of an impedance on the rest of our life. So that's why I recommend a container, say before bed, in the morning, etc. But it's a good time to carve out. It's a good way to carve out time, is to think of a safe container. Safe container.